Alright guys, welcome back to the Chop Shop. Today we're going to be installing an axleback exhaust and we're going to give a shot at welding for ourselves. When I picked up my S2000, it came with this single exit exhaust here, and to put it briefly, it's just a fart can. Now the look alone for me is enough to change it, but the way it sounded was very Honda-esque and a bit too obnoxious. So now I'm just going on a very casual cruise. I don't think I ever went past 5,000 RPMs here, and you can hear how much noise gets into the cabin with this exhaust. So the guy I bought the car from also included the stock exhaust, and I borrowed a lift here and had it installed. And I figured that would have been the end of that, but of course it was way too quiet. So one day while browsing on eBay, I copped something pretty nice. There was a wrecked S2000 and they were selling this Tanabe medallion exhaust, which is worth about $800 for just over $200. It had a small dent in one of the mufflers, but it was perfectly fine. Now it was also missing one piece of the pipe, which would have connected it to the factory location, but we'll make do. Alright, well, just got to Michael's house. This is how you have to carry shit when you own an S2000. So we're going to be doing some mock-ups on the new Tanabe exhaust that I got. I guess you say used. So as soon as we get in that garage, we're going to start measuring and cut this fart can off.
Turn this AC on for Allie.
Oh, look at that. How nice. So since my car's too fucking low for Michael's puny little jack, we have to go and get my jack to jack up my car.
Well, your car's too low for my jack. My truck is too high for my jack. I mean, I bought that jack to work on my Prelude. It works just fine for my car.
Yeah, but not this one.
Well, you don't always gotta live that low life. You know, running boards are cool. And so are Hemis.
I feel like it's pretty close to stock height though. Like they're pretty low for the factory.
This thing is so slow. So slow.
It's faster than your Mini.
Definitely not, son.
You'll have to take this crossbar bar off.
No.
Make things easier.
No. Now that I've got my exhaust kind of laid out, I don't want to take the stock exhaust off. As you saw, I had that put on. So I got a tape measure and I measured from where the test pipe connects to where I kind of guesstimated where the axleback essentially for this piece connects. So I've measured that's approximately 34 inches, 33 and 3/4. So we're going from the bottom of the fart can pipe, so pretty much right there from the flange, 33 and 3/4, about 34 pretty much, is around this area. So we're going to try and measure that up right now.
Yeah, right at the bend. We'll put it right.
Here, hold on, attach it back to the base. Alright, so
yeah, 34 is this mark right here. It's already marked for us.
Alright, so that's where I want to cut the fart can off at and have somebody weld the new exhaust piece down there, that sucker right there, on, so we're going to have to cut the flange off of that at the end too, unless I can have somebody weld the flange on, but I don't know what kind of flange it takes. I managed to borrow another lift. We're going to get it up in the air and get that stock exhaust out of there. What I'm doing here is I'm pushing the exhaust back now that it's disconnected from the test pipe, so I can get it back, and hopefully you can get the exhaust hangers off. Now the only issue is we're shut for time. We don't want to take up their lift for too long, but this pipe is still hot as shit.
They're off.
Alright, there's 2 more of these. Twist it in. Out. Now we have to put together the exhaust system that I've just purchased so we can hang it up and see exactly what we're going to have to do.
We've got the aftermarket exhaust on that Brandon ordered a couple days ago, and here we've got the old straight pipe set up with the resonator. Now obviously this and this are not going to connect, so what we're going to do is we're going to see if we can't probably cut this or make another hanger, but if we do that the resonator is going to hit the bottom of the actual car.
I just cut a small piece of metal. Let's go ahead and join the two. None of us are experienced in welding. Dakota here had a bit of a gobby mess, and so we're just trying to clean it up here with a little cutting wheel, just trying to see how much we can clean up. Now that that's all done, let's throw it on and give it a listen. Now, as you can tell, we're not the best welders, and we weren't really paying attention to the level of the exhaust tips, so it is a bit crooked on there right now, and it's burning my bumper at the moment. So I will take that back and get it fixed by a professional shortly. Other than that though, I hope you guys are at least entertained. If you liked the video, go ahead and drop a like. comment anything you would like to say. Call us stupid for welding it that way. I'm sure you guys would love to do that. But other than that, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.